To understand the difference between an air-cooled unit and a water-cooled unit, you will need a basic understanding of the refrigeration cycle. The refrigeration cycle describes how an air conditioner works. Once we have a base understanding of air conditioning, we can then explore the different types and styles of portable air conditioners. If you haven't done so already, please view our video titled The Refrigeration Cycle. This short video will explain the basics of how air conditioning works, which will then help you learn the differences between an air-cooled and water-cooled unit. Now that you have viewed the video regarding the refrigeration cycle, let's explore the air-cooled and water-cooled units. The more common type of portable air conditioner is the air-cooled unit. An air-cooled unit uses a fan, or air, thus the term air-cooled, to remove the heat from the condensing section of the unit. What this means to you when using an indoor portable air-cooled unit is that you need a space to vent the heated air, which is being removed from the condenser section of the unit. The most common place to vent condenser air is above the drop ceiling, provided that there is adequate space or the area above the ceiling acts as a general return for the building's central system. Other means of ducting condenser air is through a window to the outside, into a non-heat sensitive area such as a warehouse or garage space, or into the return air duct of the central system. However, these options to vent condenser air are not always available, and without being properly vented, an air-cooled unit can make a bad situation worse. An example of this would be a server room that is not configured to handle the vented air from a portable cooling unit. It's a common mistake that leads to more problems. The hot air from the condenser side builds up in an area above the drop ceiling and ultimately leaks back into the server room, causing even higher temperatures. An effective way to solve this problem is to use a water-cooled unit in applications where there is no means of venting condenser air. Water-cooled units use water to remove the heat from the condenser. Cold water enters the unit and hot water exits the unit. Using the flexible hose kits provided with the air conditioner, water-cooled units can be easily hooked up to any standard sink, a slop sink in a janitor's closet, a hose bib, or we can even tap into a building's condenser water loop or chilled water supply. You can learn more about air-cooled and water-cooled portable air conditioning units by viewing our video titled Installing an Air-Cooled Unit and viewing our video titled Installing a Water-Cooled Unit. If your situation requires some sort of temporary cooling, you can rest assured that your mobile air expert can help you navigate through the benefits of an air-cooled unit or a water-cooled unit. Their experience will help you put together a functional and cost-effective way for you to beat the heat. Just give us a call. Feel free to browse our air-cooled and water-cooled lineup on our website, and thank you for visiting mobileair.com.